Are you confused between the Arduino Nano and the Raspberry Pi Pico W? Both are small boards that can control sensors, LEDs, and motors. But which one is better for your project? In this video, I will explain the difference in a simple way so that you can easily decide which one to pick. Let's start with a quick introduction. The Arduino Nano, especially the ATmega328P clone version, is a small and low cost microcontroller board. It's been used for years by beginners and makers all over the world. On the other hand, the Raspberry Pi Pico W is a newer board from the Raspberry Pi family. It's more powerful and comes with a built-in Wi-Fi, which means you can make wireless and IoT projects without any extra hardware. The Arduino Nano clone is based on the ATmega328P microcontroller, which runs at 16 MHz. It operates on 5 volts and has 14 digital pins and 8 analog pins. You can power it using a USB cable or an external power source through the V-in pin. It does not have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but it's great for small and simple projects like controlling LEDs, motors, and sensors. It works perfectly with the Arduino IDE, which makes it very easy to program even if you are a beginner. Many clones use the CH340 USB chip, so you might need to install its driver before uploading code. Now let's talk about the Raspberry Pi Pico W. It's powered by a much faster RP2040 chip made by Raspberry Pi. It runs at 133 MHz and uses a 32-bit dual-core processor. Unlike the Arduino Nano, the Pico W works on 3.3 volts. It has 26 GPIO pins and supports different communication types like I2C, SPI, UART, and PWM. The best thing about the Pico W is that it has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can easily connect it to the internet or send data to cloud servers. You can program it using MicroPython, C++, or even the Arduino IDE after setup. Now let's compare both boards in detail. The Arduino Nano clone costs around 300 to 400, while the Raspberry Pi Pico W costs around 500 to 700 in India. In terms of speed, the Nano runs at 16 MHz, while the Pico W is 8 times faster at 133 MHz. The Nano uses an 8-bit ATmega 328P chip with 2 KB of RAM and 32 KB of flash memory. The Pico W uses a 32-bit RP2040 chip with 264 KB of RAM and 2 MB of flash memory, a huge difference. The Nano operates at 5 volts while the Pico W works at 3.3 volts. So you need to be very careful when connecting 5 volt sensors to the Pico. When it comes to connectivity, the Arduino Nano has no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, while the Pico W has built-in Wi-Fi support. The Arduino Nano has 14 digital pins and 8 analog pins, while the Pico W offers 26 GPIO pins with 3 analog inputs. For communication, both supports SPI, I2C and UART, but the Pico W handles them faster due to its 32-bit architecture. Talking about programming languages, the Nano mainly supports C and C++ using the Arduino IDE. The Pico W supports MicroPython, C, C++, and even Arduino language, giving you more flexibility for IoT and advanced projects. In short, the Arduino Nano is simpler and great for offline control based application. The Pico W is modern, faster, and designed for internet connected and smart devices. The Arduino Nano is perfect for small robotics, automation, and beginner projects like line following robots, sensor monitoring, or simple home automation. It's stable, reliable, and ideal for learning embedded systems. The Raspberry Pi Pico W, on the other hand, is great for modern IoT applications. Things like smart home devices, weather monitoring systems, and remote data logging. Its Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to send data to the cloud or control device wirelessly. To sum up, the Arduino Nano Atmega 328P clone is best for those who want a simple, low cost and easy to use board for basic electronics. It's perfect for learning and small control systems. The Raspberry Pi Pico W is best for people who need speed, Wi-Fi and more memory. It's perfect for IoT, automation, and connected devices. So, if you're just starting, go with the Arduino Nano to learn the basics. But if you want to take your project online and explore IoT, the Raspberry Pi Pico W is the right choice. Both are amazing boards. It all depends on your goal. Keep experimenting, keep building, and keep learning. Well, that's it.